Welcome to Clashing with Tony, where you learn not to 1-star, 2-star, but triple. Alright, now we have Joseph from U.S. Prestige. He's going to do a Hydra attack, and he's going to Blizzard the TH, and he has a E-drag to funnel his troop at 9 o'clock. Alright, first he's going to blink the TH using Super Wizards and 4 Invis spell. And he's going to clear that section out. Then simultaneously he's going to deploy the Queen and King at 6 and his main force at 9 o'clock, with E-drag also deploying it over there at 10 o'clock just to start the funneling. Alright, let's see. Alright, he's getting ready to he identified that he can blitz the TH. He deployed some Coco-Loons, that way he can clear some black mines. He dropped the TH right there on that compartment. Immediately he drops the Blizzard first, and then Rage, and then continue counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and he keep investing the Super Wizards till moving along. On this action, you have to zoom in a little bit, that way you can see the wizards which way they go, and he completely cleared that section out. Now he deploys the E-drag at 10 o'clock, and at the same time deploys the Queen and King at 7 o'clock, and they're going to clear the bottom section out. And then now he feels like the E-drag did enough funneling for his main Hydra attack, and there we go. And I see the single Inferno picked up on the E-drag and blast them out. And then Queen and King are doing a pretty good job over there clearing those two sections out. And here we go. I still hasn't deployed his RC. He's holding the RC. That way he will the RC is gonna join forces with the main force over there. Queen ability is still good, and the RC has not been deployed yet. As we can see, we have a Tesla farm over there at 12 o'clock, and here we go. Pretty strong attack. Do the funneling correctly, and easy attack. Almost look like a dragon spam, but that's the way to go. And he completely swag the RC complete in this attack. Well planning on this attack. Queen still has her ability. 2 archers still up. Pretty strong attack. Blizzard, Hydra, and this attack is right after still after the nerf. They nerfed Dragon Riders. I do videos daily on legend hits daily, and that way you can see what's working and what's not working for the players up there. I record hits from different clans. My clan is U.S.A Whiskey, but Joseph is from U.S.A Prestige, and I do CWL attacks and show you guys how to beat the game. Keep on clashing. Have fun. Thanks for watching.